Hello guys, it's me. I'm the new guy, Boris Ortiz Luis. In the last video, I was the one who was recording the last video, Screen Mess Up. You didn't like that, I know that. Okay, I'm gonna review the Swiss Army Tinker. It's kind of big, and I'm only 9, and it says a little bit bigger than my palm. Okay, here are the functions. I think there's a can opener. I haven't seen any can openers though, because I'm only 9. I think this is a bottle opener. Yeah. I don't know what this is right here. Here's the big knife, kind of as long as this. Here's right here. There are tweezers. A toothpick. And there's a small blade. Here's a Phillips screwdriver and a Reamer, I think. Maybe an awl. There you go, guys. That's the review of the Swiss Army Tinker.